And the winner is...
I could lose a little bit of weight myself. Operation Transformation. You'll know this lady from The Daily Show every Monday.
Plug, plug.
Wow, this is pretty amazing. My dad put his heart and soul into this programme. He was absolutely obsessed by the whole idea of 360 media and crossing between television and radio and the web, so he really revelled in this show and it meant a lot to him. If he was here, I know he would love to thank the wonderful Noel Kelly for putting the programme together, Evelyn O'Rourke, Siobhan Hock, and the absolutely fantastic crew who are the glue behind every successful programme. You should all be very proud of yourselves. Congratulations, and I'm particularly proud of him and happy for him tonight, so thank you very much.